Welcome to the PPC Geeks blog. Today we're exploring the topic of how to use Google AdWords and how does it work. If you're new to Google AdWords or just have questions you've never managed to answer, we're sure you'll find them here. In this article, we'll explore how to use Google AdWords and how it works. Some of the hot topics we'll explore are how to use AdWords, what it is, and why you need it. The different campaign structures including search, display, shopping, and video. Tracking and why it's so important to the success of your AdWords account. And much more. If you only read one blog post to introduce you to Google AdWords this month, we suggest you start with this list. If you're struggling with your Google AdWords account or want a fresh set of eyes to see where you could improve it, just ask our PPC Geeks about our 100% free AdWords audit today.